everybody, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is really a delight, and it's something which is very simple to make. So it's a super simple recipe, like I said, and the end result is simply delicious. So let's just dive straight into today's recipe and today's video. So friends, let's just have a look at the ingredients. So here I have one medium raw mango which I've washed very well and sliced. We're going to use the seed also, so don't discard the part around the seed. So just cut them up into thin slices like this, or you can cut them into a little bit of medium size cubes too. Now besides that, I'm going to use some dried red chilies, some ginger, some garlic, some onion which I've chopped or sliced. Besides that, I'm also going to use some cumin seeds or jeera, some whole coriander seeds or dhania, and some tamarind which I've soaked in some water for that little extra tangy flavor. Now I've heated about a tablespoon of oil in a pan, and I'm going to fry my ginger, my garlic, my onion. We're going to fry it well till the onions turn translucent, as well as the rawness of the garlic goes away. Now we're going to add our dried red chilies and again give them a good fry. Now these chilies, besides adding the lovely spicy flavor to the dish, they also add a beautiful color to this raw mango curry. Now I'm going to add my cumin seeds as well as my coriander seeds. Give all of this a fry, and once it's fried well, I'm going to bring it to room temperature, and then we're going to just add about a tablespoon or two of water, and we're going to put it into our mixer pot or blender and grind it to a very fine paste. Now to the paste I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, and we're going to transfer this paste back into the oil, and we're going to fry it well. Now this is very important for this recipe, that you fry the masala paste very well, because that gives the actual flavor to this dish. So you start frying it, and till it starts oozing out some oil like this. And now we're going to add a little bit of the masala water. That is, when you grind this masala in your mixer pot, there's always a little bit of masala left over. So you can just use some water, and that this is the reserve water from the mixer pot. We're going to add a little bit of it at a time, and we're going to stir it in well and let this masala cook in this water. Now you can add a little more water. Don't add too much water, because we don't want a very fine or thin curry. It has to be a little bit on the thicker side. And now we're going to add this lovely raw mango or kairi, and we are going to let it cook in this for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. Add some salt, and I know the kairi is already very sour, but we want to add a little bit more of sourness to give it that factor. So here I'm just going to squeeze out the juice from this tamarind that I've soaked in some warm water, and we're just going to add the juice. Now don't discard the pulp. I'll give you a tip over here. What you can do is, this pulp, you can just put it into your cooker, put a little bit of water, and just let it come to one whistle and turn it off, and you will just you'll see how your cooker, if it has turned black at the base, will suddenly just start to be white and clean and shiny. So just you can use this tamarind for cleaning up your cooker. And now, after boiling our curry till our mango is nice and cooked, your curry is all ready. The secret to this curry, to tasting even better, is you have it the next day or the day after that, because then it's really very flavorsome. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add about 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Now you can either use a store-bought coconut milk or you can extract coconut milk at home. What I like to do is I just use the coconut powder. I just put it in some warm water, whisk it well and add it. Now this coconut milk adds a really beautiful flavor as well as color to this dish. And there it is, friends. Your lovely raw mango curry is all ready. Now, for those of you who would like to add some non-veg to this, while the kairi is boiling, you can add a few prawns. It tastes amazing. So you can have this curry with some lovely boiled rice, steamed rice. It's just simply delicious. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.